we're gonna try this out. This is the Dash Mini Waffle Maker. We're gonna cook bacon and eggs on it, so this should be fun. Got it warming up right now. Lights on. My inverter's easily powering it. It's 350 watts. And my inverter's a 1200 watt inverter. This is the bacon. I'm only trying one piece because I haven't tried this yet. That's about 10 seconds in there and it's already cooking, so wow, the whole van smells like bacon. Yum. Bacon's cooking, sun's rising. It's gonna be a beautiful day. Oh, that smells good. That's about a minute. Alright, let's try an egg. I cheated, I already tried an egg, so I know they work. Yes, I have a garbage over there. One thing I just realized I forgot was I did not bring any salt. Well, I brought salt, no pepper. Alright, we gotta give that 1 minute. It takes about a minute to cook the egg. It smells good in here, that's for sure. That's a minute. Let's see where we're at here. Oh yeah, that looks good. I'll give it just a little bit longer. Then we're gonna repeat the process. Another slab of bacon, another egg. Alright, let's see if we can get that out of there. Oh, that's gonna be nice. Look at that. Piece of bacon in there. Let me know what you think. This is pretty simple breakfast. And it's not really messy. I got a couple splashes there from where I slopped the bacon, but other than that, that's an easy way to make breakfast in a van. Something I picked up online from a house user, but it converted well to the van. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and finish up here and I'll show you when I get everything cooked. There it is. Breakfast on a little mini waffle maker. I bought that waffle maker off Amazon for $12 with free shipping. I just plugged it into my power strip, running off my inverter. Simple breakfast, very little cleanup. Let's see how it tastes. Tastes like an egg. I like my bacon a little chewy, so there won't be any crunch here. Mmm. Bacon. Yummy. Cheers to you. So my 2 cents on the waffle maker in the van, total success. Super easy. I cooked 4 eggs, 4 pieces of bacon in about 10 minutes. I mean, my cleanup was very easy. Just got to wipe everything down real quick. Tasted delicious. Tasted just like anything you'd cook at home. And super small. I mean, that's my hand, so that waffle maker's pretty small. It holds just 1 egg and a half a slice of bacon at a time. But yeah, thumbs up on that one. And it'll store nice, and my battery system will run it with ease.